Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hifna Fatima and you're watching Hifna's Cookhouse. Today we're making this amazing Brazilian dessert called Brigadeiro Chocolate Truffle. It is just so simple to make and it takes only 3 easy ingredients. So let's get into the video. So let's start making our dessert. So for this I've taken a saute pan. Now into this we will be adding condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk, which is 400 gram of condensed milk. Our next ingredient is cocoa powder. Only 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Make sure you shift in the cocoa powder. Now we have to combine the cocoa powder and the condensed milk really well. This is the consistency. Now let's cook it. Put it in medium flame. Now we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter to the mixture and then mix it until it starts thickening. As you can see, it's thickening. Now you can take it off from the flame. Now you have to transfer the mixture into a glass container. Now refrigerate this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take it out from the refrigerator and scoop out 1 spoon of the mixture and shape it into small balls. Now let's decorate it. To decorate, I've chosen powdered sugar, cocoa powder and crushed pistachios. This is our final product. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do press the bell icon too. Hoping to see you again. Thank you and have a nice day.